Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute little texting gloves, and this is part of a 4-piece pattern in my Ravelry store, and I'm going to put the link below where you can purchase. In the pattern, they're made with red, black, and white. So I'm going to get started today so that you can see my stitches. I'm going to use blue, then I'll use purple, and this cream color as a contrasting color. So it'll be blue for the cuff and alternates of purple and white. And I'm using worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start working with this color, and in my pattern this is the red section. And I'm going to start with a slip knot. And this chain should wrap around your hand. And I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Chain 1. Single crochet in each stitch around. 2 single crochet, insert the hook in the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through the 2 loops. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join, chain 1 and turn. Repeat that last row, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And I'm going to do that for 4 rows. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 4 rows. And I'm going to fasten off, and that's how that looks. And now I'm going to attach this purple yarn. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to double crochet in that same stitch. The chain 2 will not be equivalent to a stitch in this pattern, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So double crochet in each stitch all the way around. The end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. Okay, I've double crocheted in each stitch all the way around. At the end of the row, I'm going to find my first double crochet and I'm going to slip stitch to join. And I'm not going to detach my yarn. And I have my yarn in a container so it doesn't roll all over the place. I'm going to pull up my new color in that last stitch, and I'm going to turn my work, always keeping the yarn ends inside. And I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. Remember to keep all the yarn ends inside, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. Now I'm going to keep that yarn attached, but I'm going to make sure it's on the inside. Turn the work, take the purple yarn, just pull it through that loop, and then just tighten up your yarn, make sure you're good and snug. And now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch around. But at the end of this row, I'm not going to slip stitch to join because I'm going to leave it open for the thumb. So I'm going to go ahead and work this row of double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and I'm not going to slip stitch to join this time. I'm going to drop that yarn, and I'm going to pick up my cream yarn. And then I'm just going to tighten up my stitches. I'm going to turn my work, keep all my yarn ends on the inside, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and I'm not going to slip stitch to join because this is going to be the opening for the thumb. And if I join this purple thread now, this will close up and I won't have room for my thumb. So I'm just going to take my hook off of the yarn, and I'm going to just bring this yarn so that it's over here. So I'm just going to slip stitch into a few of these stitches. So just slip stitch until I get up here. Like that. Now take my hook out again, place it back in the cream yarn, and pull up my yarn in there. And I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So double crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and at the end of this row I am going to slip stitch to join. And there's my opening for the thumb. Like that. And if you need a larger opening, you could just not slip stitch to join in this row. So there's the opening. And I'm going to pull up my cream color, turn my work, make sure I keep my yarn ends on the inside, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. At the end of the row, I'm going to slip stitch to join in that first stitch. Okay, I finished that row. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to continue to do the same procedure until these fingerless gloves are as long as I would like them to be. So for this row, it's double crochet in each stitch all the way around, and then I'll just continue to add as many rows as I would like. Okay, I worked several more rows, and you can work as many of these rows as you like, so you can make these as long as you want. The red and black ones have additional rows. So now I'm going to fasten off. Here's how it looks on the inside. There are a few little places where you've carried the yarn. So now I'm going to attach my blue yarn again, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. I'm going to slip stitch to join at the end of the row, and I'm going to work 4 rows so that I have the same on each end. Okay, I've worked 4 rows of single crochet, the same as here. Now I can fasten off. So now I can weave all my yarn ends back into the finished work, and I'll put a link below on how to make these tags, and I'll attach a tag here, and then I'll come back and show you. That's how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and attach my tag. Okay, I've attached my tag, and this is how they look in purple. In the pattern, they're done with red, black, and white. And it's a 4-piece set. And I'm going to put the link below where you can purchase it on Ravelry. So there you go. There's some cute little texting gloves that you can make for Christmas gifts or for your own self. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.